Some of the challenges with connected embedded designs are management and monitoring. ADLINK has come up with an interesting solution in that area.
ADLINK has developed SEMA technology. SEMA is for Smart Embedded Management Agent. What it contained is a series of functions that give you a rich set of vital signs about the board in the system that you can harvest using a driver layer or even remotely.
Now, this solution looks very similar to what we see on a lot of enterprise systems. It has, for example, remote console management.
It is similar, but yet it's not the same, because we cannot rely in our systems that they will be accessible from the outside, or you're not inside a controlled environment. Sometimes these units run standalone or connected through wireless or 3G wireless.
What are some of the things that you can monitor, and what type of management support do you have for it?
So the implementation needs two pieces. There's a software element and a hardware element. The hardware side is a dedicated controller that enables us to access those physical data. For example, we have a uptime counter in seconds since boot. There's a time counter for runtime hours for the life of the board. So there's some basic stats, but also we can monitor the minimum maximum temperature the board has ever experienced while live. So we can see was there an overheat condition, etc. So those are data sets that are typically not available in an enterprise management setup. There's also power measuring. We can measure the actual power consumption. There is reporting on the voltages and fans. We also allow for a data storage area, so the OEM can store serial number, version records, etc. inside the flash. We also have a failover BIOS. So the BIOS has a dual copy. We recognize if a copy is not live or corrupted. It'll be permanently marked, and that status can be read through the SEMA infrastructure.
Obviously, enterprise boards won't work in the areas where some of these rugged boards are going. What are some of those options available to people?
SEMA has been implemented in a few boards already. We will roll this out continuously on all the newer designs. So today, SEMA is available on the later COM Express series and also PC104.
Well, excellent. I can see where people are definitely going to want to take advantage of this, because it eliminates a lot of the work that you normally are customizing into a more standard interface.
That's the idea, that we enable the system builder to rely on a certain data set to be present for health management or analytics based on the vital signs of the system, and then actually go one step further, collect this data, and go to the area of preventative maintenance. So we can see a board when the temperature is rising or a fan is slowing down, that there's something not quite right, but it's not quite broken yet. To get to that point, to have that intelligence, that's where we see the value for the future.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much.